take this opportunity to learn and great our beloved prophet, Commander Jesus of Nazareth. No man, Commander Jesus of Nazareth, Sia Bonga Kulu, Sajaba Bazolani, Simon Koko, Commander Jesus of Nazareth, from the spoken, from the suits of dates, Sabine and Abakuza, a Commander Jesus, the leadership of our church, we create Commander Jesus was Nazareth. We are here to pray Bazolani. We all know that we have our upcoming conference. I'm so excited about this one. I'm so excited. I feel like we are not that much ready, but I'm so much ready. I don't know because I'm expecting. There was an expectation. It comes with joy as well. I am expecting. I want us to pray for two things as well. Lines of winning, getting a prophet in a if we are a church, ngabe nesiphothisa esihlala ngabo manje esontweni ngabe nesiphothisa nje babonza esihlala ngabo ekuthi kuhlala nje ngifike ngicela ukhiyene ngizona yabona ezinye zesizathu bazenza ukuthi sometimes when sifila sibalukhulu ukuthi we need a church building for some reasons, because sometimes we have to I feel like ngaya endlini yomprofeti engekho ngifike nje ngilala then but when you know and understand the importance of having a land, then we need to have a land. One reason why we need to have a land it is because when God gives abantu umhlaba, He gives them an assurance ukuthi next generation ezayo izophila lapho kasema. So I want us to pray for that. Secondly, I want us to pray for our faith conference. This is the reason why I want us to pray for our faith conference because if I believe was in the book of Luke, chapter number 5. If I believe in the book of Luke, I'm going to explain. If I believe in the book of Luke, chapter number 5. Lithi uJesu efundisa oPeter Peter edoba ukuthi wafundisa uJesu uPeter was toiling the whole night. Manje kukhuluma noPeter ukuthi Peter awumbone umkhumbi wakhe ukuthi Peter Jesu ngiyafisa ukunikeza umkhumbi wakhe but inkinga we've been toiling the whole night uthi uJesu Peter no charge the deep what Peter at your word I'm going to do wabese esenza la Bible lithi waqhubeka wafundisa uJesu he's busy teaching while he's busy teaching sibakhulu kuthiwa kwafika abagulayo wabaphilisa kuthiwa lokho kwaziwa ukuthi uJesu uphilise abagulayo but I love the most from chapter number 4 verse 4 ukuzansi kuthiwa uJesu he was busy prophet he was busy teaching the word he was busy teaching the word while he was busy teaching the word kuthiwa kunabantu abathile beyaphele babona ukuphila komuntu ongekho at the teaching of the word he was busy teaching. While he was busy teaching, at this amount of teaching, something can happen. Oh, what's about? But Uno Jesse Shumael, but what is so humans who just was Shumael. I'm not convinced about Peter, the Jesus, so who will proceed life. One day I just went I am receiving life. So I'm going to super and the one that but I am receiving life. So what may show Jesus, but what about no? I don't enjoy it. What may show the prophet smart? I don't enjoy it. I don't this is life. But no matter say better to see people about what don't we are not coming home until we appear. In this place conference, I say it's so important. We've come to receive life. Since I didn't follow you, we are saying it as far as goes of conference and remain the same. We are going to make a way because faith is able to make a way. But faith says, as from now here, we are going to make a way. Because there is faith that is able to break limitations. Forgive you, As long as he's preaching, there is going to be a way. Because since then, as long as it's a human prophetic, there is a way for us. But we've come to the amount of possibilities. It's not about trying and this or a child. But people tell you what they promise are there. What the man and the other one who call on that. But the question is, there's a move to just want to call. In this comment, I pray, may God raise our faith. May God raise the prophet. See, we come not alone, but just never I don't need, but we've come believing. None of our but we've come believing. Why is that so? Romans 10, verse 11. He that believes shall not be disappointed or be put to shame. Why is that so? Romans 10, verse 17. What faith comes by hearing, and hearing by the word of the Lord. Why is that so? Hebrews 11, verse number 1. Now faith is a substance of things hoped for and evidence of things not seen. Why is that so? Romans 10. He that believes in this heal, confess with the Lord that Jesus is Lord. Why is that so? 2 Corinthians chapter 2, verse number 5. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Why is that so? I said, I shall be faith. Since I'm continuing, what was your voice? No, I said, I'm going to call the conference. But I said, I'm going to we have come to America where all things are possible. Why is that so? Ephesians chapter 3, verse number 20. He is able to do exceedingly and abundantly far above what we ask for, far above what we think, according to his power that worketh us. As the Son of God, since the copying, no one to see. As the Son of the Civic Center, since the all things are possible. Why is that so? Luke chapter number 1, verse 38. Luke chapter number 1, verse 38. And you call, and say, as the Son of God, we have come here and learn where all things are possible. Why is that so? Genesis 18, where Sarah who called Naomi, Jehovah, as the Pacific Center, since you're cutting it, what we call as the time is so good, since you're not ready, not getting it, we shall not remain the same. So faith has to work, faith has to elevate us, faith has to change us, faith has to move us, faith is a force. I see the Father. This conference is required. But since I Jababa, I see the song. Someone will call away. Since you call away, the prophet would say there was a man that came to Jesus that I believe. But in this believing here, please help my unbelief. Since I don't say, Lord, help our unbelief. Who call out the prophet by this time? Let's see us. I think the prophet says by this time. Raise your voice. The name is ours.